How to fix Streamio add-ons not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. I'll show you how to fix Streamio add-ons not working. So first open Streamio application on your computer or laptop. Make sure to log into your account. On the left sidebar, you will see suggestions for series and movies. Tap on Addons icon to be directed to the add-ons page. You will find various add-ons categorized into three sections: Official Add-ons, Community Add-ons, and My Add-ons. Click on My Add-ons. To find a specific add-ons, click search bar at top right. Type the name of add-on you are looking for. If you encounter an error with an add-ons, you can easily go to Setting menu on the left side. Open your browser and visit the official Stremio website. Download the latest version of application. Open a new tab and go to fast.com in the address bar to check your internet connection speed and ensure that your connection is stable. And then restart your computer and add-ons should start working again. That's it. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.